Acts chapter 23. Paul look the council people, can't tell them.
My brothers, I dey live my life with clean mind for God I can't reach today.
Because of wetin he talk, Ananias wey be the high priest can't order the people wey stand near Paul say make them slap am for mouth. So Paul tell am,
God go slap you too. You wey dey pretend. You sit down dey judge me with the law. You know they disobey the law when you say make them slap me.
the people wey stand near am come say,
You dey curse God high priest?
Paul answer,
I no know before say na him be the high priest because God word say make you not talk bad about the person wey dey rule your people.
then when Paul know say some people wey dey there na Sadducee and others na Pharisees, he come shout make the whole council hear.
My brothers, I be Pharisee. Na Pharisee person born me. Dem dey judge me today because I put up say people wey don die go wake again.
When he talk this thing, quarrel come start between the Pharisee and the Sadducee people, and the council come divide. Because Sadducee people believe say people wey don die no go wake again, and dem not believe say anything like angel or spirit dey safe. But Pharisee people believe all these things. So quarrel come start between them, and some oga for law matter wey be Pharisee people come stand up dey oppose the Sadducee people say,
We not see anything bad wey this man do. Una know whether na spirit or angel talk to am.
when the argument come too much and the commanding officer dey fear say dem go tear Paul to pieces, he come order his soldiers make dem enter the meeting and carry Paul comot for there by force. For night for the next day, Jesus come stand near Paul tell am for vision,
Make you not fear, because as you don testify about me for Jerusalem, na so you go still do for Rome.
when morning reach, some Jew people come gather dey make bad plan and dem swear say dem no go chop or drink anything until dem kill Paul. The people wey make this bad plan pass 40. Dem go meet the priest oga dem and the elders tell dem say,
We don swear say we no go chop anything until we kill Paul. So make una and the council tell the commanding officer make he bring Paul come meet una, like say una wan judge him case again. We ready to kill am before he go reach this place.
But when Paul's sister pikin hear about this plan, he run go inside the barrack go tell Paul. Paul come call one soldier oga tell am,
Take this boy go meet the commanding officer because he get something wey he wan tell am.
so the soldier oga take the boy go meet the commanding officer come say,
Paul wey dey prison say make I bring this boy come meet you because he get something wey he wan tell you.
the commanding officer hold the boy for hand go one corner come ask am.
Wetin you wan tell me?
The boy answer,
Jew people dey plan say they go ask you make you bring Paul come the council tomorrow, like say they wan ask am question again. So make you no allow them deceive you, because the past 40 wey hide for bush wan kill am. They don swear say dem no go chop or drink anything until they don kill Paul. Now dem dey wait for you to gree for wetin they wan ask you.
so the commanding officer tell the boy make he dey go, come warn am say,
Not tell anybody say you don report this matter give me.
then he call two soldier oga come tell them,
For 9 o'clock this night, make una ready 200 soldiers wey go Caesarea, plus 70 wey go ride horse, and 200 wey go carry spear. Make una arrange us wey Paul go sit down put, so that una go fit guide am well well go meet Felix wey be the governor.
he write letter like this,
From Claudius Lysias to Governor Felix, I salute you. The Jew people seize this man, and they nearly kill am before I reach there with my soldiers. We can't save am from their hand, because I find out say he be Roman citizen. Because I wan know the offense wey he commit, I can't carry am go their council. I can't see say he offense na about wetin dem dey argue about for their law, but he no do anything wey reach to kill am or put am for prison. When one person tell me say dem dey plan to kill am, na him I send am come meet you at once, and I still order the people wey dey accuse am make dem come talk wetin he do for your front.
So the soldiers carry Paul for night until dem reach Antipatris, just as their oga command dem. The next day, the two soldier oga leave the men wey dey ride horse follow Paul, and dem come go their barrack back. When the men wey dey ride horse reach Caesarea, dem come take Paul and the letter give the governor. When the governor don read the letter, he ask dem where Paul from come. When he hear say he come from Cilicia, he come say,
I go hear your case when the people wey accuse you reach here.
then he order say make dem guide Paul for inside Herod palace.